Good night. With regard to the question if you have been laid off, my answer is yes. I was fired a few months. I had to be thrown this situation. I was working on a civil service company auditing. In the company, I worked for over 3 years, where he performed duties of supervision and inspection of construction work for an oil company in the region. And because of the situation, who has faced the oil sector, and the company took the decision to cancel the projects planned to run this year, and for this reason many people were dismissed. It was very uncomfortable on same moment because they told me the last day they were. I remember my boss and his word. I'm sorry, Tina, but even today you will be working with the slowing of staff is mandatory. Um, Only continue to work the engineers. The expert will be fired. This was a painful situation and did not expect it, but I understood more reason have decided to study civil engineering has been my best decision, because in situation like that I have to leave, it was more practical to retain the company as engineering professional. Profile was much more competitive. Since I was fired, I have not returned to work because I wanted to dedicate um, my time to study science, and lots of my health was for me reason to go on. In addition, I also understood that we must always be very competitive and show every for in our work, because 2 months ago the company called me again to return to my home for a project, which does not accept as requiring I have to live in other city. But I was very happy when my former ex-boss told me that my reason had been chosen. He told me I was very competent, honest, and very dedication to my work. You say in addition, I was the only one of the inspector who decided to study when the company gave us a chance. And now that I have to be a great engineer. So I learned that I should always strive at every opportunity that life gives me. And today I am studying, but tomorrow I will be working and always will continue to fit to the best profession. Thank you very much, and bye.